vlog. So I am starting by doing an unboxing with Fido, who's right here. We have an exciting package to open, both of us, mainly for him probably. But this vlog is actually sponsored by Wopet. They were kind enough to reach out and send us a pet feeder that we're going to unbox and try out together. I have Fido's food and we're gonna fill it up and try. So I'm gonna show you an unboxing real quick, setup and everything, and then we'll see how it works. So if you have a pet or anything, if you're curious, I will leave the link down below. So this is what it looks like. It's a pet feeder. We're gonna open it this way. Fido, look. What is this? So this has a capacity of 4 liters, I believe. It's battery powered, and warranty, there's 1 year provided DC power supply, and the pet size is usually for dogs and cats with small, medium sizes. So I'm gonna open it here. This is the size of what this looks like. I like how it's white. Do you like it? I like that it's white because it's like very like minimal and pretty. Like I would have this at my apartment. If only he could come with me. But it comes with little instructions right here. So in here comes the bowl. So I'm gonna open this, and I believe this is what it put like at the bottom of this. Comes with a cable. Okay, so I first started by removing the lid from the bottom of the container, and this is because obviously we have to have it connected in some way, or we have to add batteries. So you can add batteries, and it states in the box and in the manual what type of batteries it takes, but since it doesn't come with batteries, it does come with the cable that you can connect it to. So I just used the cable, and I also think that's kind of better just because of the batteries, you know, will run out eventually. So then I connected the cable to the box that it comes with, the little connector thing, and I connected that to the wall, and I went ahead and pressed the on switch, which is right there. It's a little black switch at the bottom of the container, and then I went ahead and tried to connect it to the bowl. So it has these 2 little indents, and that goes along with the bowl, so you just kind of slide it through. And I went ahead and added his food, so I actually had another container, so I just poured the food from there. Then I added this little tray container back onto the lid. I believe it was already on there. If not, either way, I attached it on there because that's what the instructions said. And then I went ahead and just added the lid and closed off the whole container. And then I started actually messing with the buttons and trying to figure out how to get started, and also reading the manual at the same time. So the first thing I set up was the clock up here, and you can use the up arrow to, I'm right now on number 1, but I'm going back, so it's going that one, and the recording, now that portions, and now the clock. And you can press OK and then set your time. I already set my time because right now it's 4:52, so I'm gonna go back, and then now I'm gonna go to my portions. So I'm gonna click OK, and I'm gonna go down to 4. Oh, and that's gonna show me how much does a 4 kind of give. I set the time for the rest of the meals. So I'm doing the one where I do the scheduled feeding so that my mom doesn't have to like fill it up every single time. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. So when it happens at 6, I will record it for you guys so that you see that it's programmed and everything. One thing I haven't tried yet that I'm curious about is the feeding voice recording. So I'm gonna try that out right now and record something. And so apparently you can record, so while like the feeder is working, like the dog can hear you're recording basically. So I'm gonna try and record something. Let's see, I have to hold it hold record button for 3 seconds. Hi Fido, love you. I love you. You're so cute. You're so cute, Fido. So today's Saturday. I am currently about to start packing. Right now we're just waiting for laundry so that we can just finish getting our stuff. But I thought I would do a little quick like kind of pack with me. I have my makeup stuff. I still need to get ready as well. My bag stuff, and then my little duffel bag. We're going to Napa, which is only a couple hours away, so it's not like far or anything. So I'm just gonna take my little duffel bag, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking of packing. I don't even know where I'm gonna wear it yet, so we're gonna figure it out. I need to really wash my makeup brushes, so if you need to wash your makeup brushes, this is your reminder too, because I need to do that too. But this is kind of like my everyday stuff that I'm gonna pick from. This, I've showed you guys this before. I will link this down below. Literally like my favorite thing and the only makeup bag that I take whenever I'm packing for any trip really, and this year especially it's been like a few road trips, so this is literally what I take. I'm gonna put in here and organize. This is what it looks like if you haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna pack and organize in here. I have my camera bag. I'm gonna take my DSLR, which is already there. It's already charged. I'm just charging my vlog camera to put in here. So I'm gonna put this to the side for now. And then this is my gym slash what do you call it, my duffel bag for like trips and stuff. So I'm gonna organize this as well. So let's figure out what I'm gonna wear, because I need to do that first. Okay, so I have all my makeup and stuff packed, but I'm gonna do my makeup still, so I'm not gonna close it down yet. But I have makeup brushes here, all my makeup stuff, and some like little essential stuff for like night routine. And then in here I put actually deodorant, toothbrush, and what else did I put in here? Oh, my soap to wash my face. And I have my spray and my sun balm and my container for my contact lenses. So I have one pair of PJs here with some underwear, socks, and everything. Probably gonna wear this black dress to go there. I have an extra dress just in case. This is one outfit that I put together, more of a summary, because in case it's a little bit sunnier at any point. This one, I have my this is my brown jeans with this white top. I have an extra leotard top, my green leotard long sleeve, and my black jeans. And this is my little bag. Also, I'm only taking 2 pairs of shoes, sorry. I'm only going to take my Air Forces and this Steve Madden heels. So, now I'm going to put all this together and just wait a little bit longer for laundry and then get ready. Okay, so I am wearing this little black dress from Zara and my Air Forces, and that is gonna be my little outfit. We are about to head out. I also like blow dried my hair a little bit. I used this is the Hot Tools Professional. I will link this down below. I found it on Amazon. We're taking this little crest back just because we have this, but we're taking some organic crackers that I found at Trader Joe's that I've been snacking on sometimes, and I did this little container with cheese. This is one of our meal prep containers that we got a while ago, but I put some salami, some cheese, mainly for me because Caesar doesn't really eat cheese, and some grapes. And yeah, we're gonna take all this for us either tomorrow or today, whatever works. But we're gonna take this little bag for food. Also, I didn't show you, but Caesar got me these pretty flowers that I never showed in the vlog. I also switched out the water today, but they look so pretty. They're like kind of like fall / spring. They're so pretty. I'm actually going to start a new vlog for the Napa vlog for the next couple days. Thank you so much to Wopet for sponsoring this vlog, and definitely check out their website with all their available items for your pet if you have one. I will have the link to them down below. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next vlog, and now I'm gonna end this so I can start a new one. Bye guys.